the fireworks.
Little one. He farted for me on New Year. Josh knows what it means. It's a new year.
2016.
Yeah.
Videotaping.
Just for 5 minutes. I could do the whole thing.
Oh, look, you're outside. They're glowing.
Whoa!
Where's my Josh?
Should I shut the door now?
No, leave it open. It is hot.
Joseph, you're in the way.
Dude, this is making it hotter.
Yeah, it is. But I should
Well, we
have
need
gone.
it.
Joseph, get out the way.
Joseph, you're gonna fall, like you just did.
Oh yeah. Get out the way.
He's still videotaping.
Yeah.
Josh.
Stop being instrument.
I need an after shoot.
No.
Look the
Look at the
fireworks.
fireworks. Maybe you shut the lights off, you can see it better. That looks great. How come we don't hear it no more?
I'm gonna go look outside.
It's hot.
You got hallelujah.
It's so hot right here and out there. It's great. Look, Joe, you don't understand. Look, come here, let me show you. You got to see this for yourself.
He wants to see it
Look.
outside.
He knows that's what's out there is the fireworks, see? I know, but you're cold. Look, all the people dancing. And they got funny hats on. Look, McDonald's. You got a funny hat. Your song's playing Treasure. Look, fireworks. See the funny hat?
That was fun. Yeah, these on right now at the same time.
You did it.
He was running all the way over there. With no shoes
That's the
on.
strategy.
I'm sucking. I'm working.
You hear that?
Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And this is gonna be the end. Might be a tiny bit more. Just to tell
Same
you,
shirt.
I might include some more of these
the
description. I don't know, but remember, subscribe. And I'll see you on
Next year.
another video. The next year's going to be another one. Plus the next year and the next year and the next year.
Hey,
Okay. Say hi. So, yeah, my pajamas. So, bye. Oh. Mom, here's.
Here.